was for high GC News. Mema Obibia Kwawa. Ahade latest and hot news nkwa enamede brabo. Enuti se wunya subscribe to channel idia bomodi and say obe subscribe. Dobe ya ne say obe click the subscribe button na wabele notification we sa video fufuro bia be upload no when the first person whatsa ebeka sa video afi wia na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo fufuro so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso Ghana memo hanom afi yebura ye ensemo abeto yepno so NPP a wani di nkugu poto chese wani lusu poto edona ye ensem bebre na eno na ye Kweku Annan atransia na chese ohwe mpanimfo bi a wani wo party mu a wani ne ye eka ho bi enema ye party no arisa apoto yi na odika tisi ye chairman Wontumi so Ashanti regional chairman nyini ma bi oye odini nyina tudwa saso ena wotisi ye bono regional chairman ye Abronye DC ono so nsem kekaye bi Kweku Annan de nyina atudwa na no na ye Eugene Boakye entry MP for Subin ono so de ensemble tudwa otchere ni ma bi a party ne ye bi ne kenu frata ho sensem ye ba ye so kan bi enema ye NPP for wona di nkugu poto sa no Kweku Annan brobro ensemble bre so na ententemara yenko na kachi yenkuti ono so ne reaction ni nsema wodi tudwa fa ye nkugu a ye NPP for di a chese wona dwen ho a wona ntiase ebi kura nsi Ghana history da NPP ena sisi aye ensemble no yenkuti ye Kweku Annan nsema wodi tudwa indiero.
Politics of today takes us to one of the human elements found in the catastrophic defeat of the NPP in the just ended election 2024, giving accounts of why Swami interchange was delayed. NPP for defeater, ye defeat to omono. Nipa ba ku omo amoba kaya, I think ene Wednesday ana I'm refi. Ene Monday. Moba kaya last week Friday, ye boni tape wa ha. And I tell you, say NPP phone kuguo na one mudi no. Hey, multiples of issues be brave, but if you are to go into details of human elements at one more my party din kugua, one among them may boni din chiro. Tonight, I am here again to unveil this human element. Obuama wamudi kuguo pa. But anadri adia warrior ne say afi or the nimpenimphobia tenase and a watch nimpenimfo no kwanye fast wa NPP for flagship program na so mu yema asante mino yes Swami interchange mo be kaya Swami interchange asante fo yaka ho asema ka manye. But tonight the chairman of the new patriotic party in Ashanti region a chronicle of events what led to the delay of this very project saying and what can I say tieniye pa we Ashanti regional chairman Emma NPP we know your chairman. Take a listen to it.
A project and it delayed, it means that there is a possible cause, and that cause is the reason why the regional executives have conglomerated here to pray for the government and pray for Akufo Addo, for the Ashanti party a project, and it delayed. It means that there is a possible cause, and that cause is the reason why the regional executives have conglomerated here to pray for the government and pray for Akufo Addo, for the Ashanti party.
Obaso otchere saying, what's not saying? Or saying, now what you are saying, Mudu Kotna, the whole, the regional capital, Ashanti region. Ashanti region is Mubezo, or the nerve center, the umbilical cord of the new patriotic party, or a nerve center, and now say the epicenter of the party. A low IQ, see, or I'm going to go home. No, see, saying, and a swami, and a then conglomerated for Hennessy, Kwasiaki Kasao, and a Periani and you were proud. Another human element whose conduct also contributed to the demise of the New Patriotic Party in the just ended polls is why nipa baako ono so ka ho ma NPP for dim enkuguo. This cataclysmic defeat unprecedented, right? It's a political debacle that the NPP regrettably enough ever since 1992 constitution came into inception. The worst part of the NPP performance on the political space is this one. Now, another branch of Kahuma in Kugo Kasia and Subama or NPP for Nakwemo. Take a listen to him. Onini, listen.
Yes, and Sammy Nyesi biasi yanim akomfo amukumo mo wa ha yanim atofofo amukumo mo wa yanim judges fo amu antifo anekumo mo ai enimumu nyina masa abato na ye kon is about issues but and this is so mun kan issues and dawuro me catch you say no mun kwa na ebe ma okuruma ha 2024 ba we ye kon and you this time and peace council and Christian yasemo Obintimi una obi se obi mfa power mano 2024 elections who tell you na wonti asidi nketia. Oh, it's nonsense no what Jimmy just akwan what Jimmy official no kwa na ebe mana me say 2024 elections no enyo mo kwa na Jimmy o he say NPP we ni aba na so obi be ka kire say because of asundwienti Yemfama and this year, because I Ghana and NPP. I'm repeating it here. Say NPP a cocoa twaba. Na kwasi ampanye ni bi sorry. Ebe ka kire se ono na ye asundue yi no free mu na aba. Na Nyankopon asoma ne se o ma ka kire NPP fo se mo na mawe ni na mo ma asundue nti mo mfama and this fo aba ka Ghana nche. What ni am kan? Mate. What? Ni afatu timsa. Se san kwasi ahuna na wamode nam no ye ba ka kire o 7 December say police mpeba binyina soja mpeba binyina na NDC ni MPP yentintim obi antimi hunahuna obi a because me say me obi antimi hunahuna me yes media me obi antimi hunahuna because kasika na me kasika no botu a me botuo me ka kire MPP ni bia say NDC ni kasika na kan bi nko report to police ba bia nko police ni amane ombeka say who preach violence and all me say san kwase hunahuna na wamode start no and this ni class kana tanibi nkobo police amane wo ye kwase a wonim nyansa na and this and o ma chance e buo mo dripping hu videos ni bi me da maka me you can't do such nonsense because here me raging so buo bi o sampa me ya buo and this ni wo sunya na onye hwe and this ni wo sampa no din kwa asema e di MPP ni a me organize na and this ni onam sunya na onye hwe no so class kana wo sampa and this new what you know, and you may have trying to say canatica. To say, no, I will blue. Oh, me say, Ubo and this knee, and people knew one crank quanta. And this new what you know on your reno. No, organize no man could to can it be. Men and bear lawlessness. I let Sammy ever because obey to me tracing yes, and few what you have to buy for to be fat to me, Moby. What kind of nonsense is that? Now, lawlessness obi timi sori mama ye bad branding no one fan pictures antitaro o de bo ho one fan antitaro sa
pepe see so these are the human elements one mo kwanya wo party ni mu a enipa bebre Ghana bebre nyama na ekono afina eye nipa ahmete so but samu ye nyoma say ya mu hu enye Ghana fo akono but whilst they were doing this no mu nim say no they were digging their own grave gradually before Ghanaians. Many have been wondering why and how Honorable Katie Hammond lost Adansia Square constituency seat. But tonight, the reasons are here. Enipa bebre yo mo wan say, Katie Hammond, eba na say no tumi lose ni seat ni sa. Yeah. Woman bebre na enti ase. In fact, me ankasa kra na ha me kakra. You know, Ghana politics here quite funny though, is it not? Katie Hammond enipa bi a why say ehuro ni awo set off. Na minisi bebre so mpe Katie Hammond asem, but he's such a hilarious guy, creates a lot of fun, all of that. And Ghana politics, they make us say one you're careful. So we NPP ni now kotema de boy NDC ni trimwa. So we NDC ni ukotema de boy NPP ni trimwa. Amani ubenya go say country ko wenya wamane. Because at the apex of the leadership of NDC, at the apex of the leadership of NPP, they are like this. Yeah. So and sometimes the enmity any when tree maintain me what's in me adeno I see a tone in your madam. So na amani maybe anye Katie Hammond say me Kweku Annan, my assessment of Katie Hammond constituency. Katie under no circumstances should have lose this election. Why you my power? Yeah, but Adansia Sukwa for reasons why they did this to Katie, I don't know. But somebody has answers to why Katie lost because he went there to do something. Who is this person? Take a listen to this.
Anna, wouldn't say voters registered. Youth, I don't switch before. Anna, what big television so say. You for women say Mutikutu Sekube. How much our mamma is Sekuha, Womunia Jambia. So, and the other one, the cockeye was. If I'm mutra money, or see Mutrikutu Sekube, Yansan Biani. Was that to manage as a Yansan move? The mamma si uko na nipa ombe wamuna de obana si mutumano de anete se no kweze mutri no adwene bia ni mu enna unim se voters registered youth I don't so check before enna wa be gina television so say youth for women say Mutikutu Sekube. How much our mamma is Sekuha, Womunia Jambia. So, and the other one, maybe the cockeye was. If I'm mutra money, or see Mutrikutu Sekube, Yansan Biani. Was that to manage as a Yansan move? The mamma
the chairman of the National Democratic Congress, now, I may perhaps say that this is on the lighter note, but Katie Hammond, we understand, say, the Mrantia, Homo, Etam, the pink sheets in the attitude with him. And then Katie Hammond at a point in demand to know, say, who pink sheets were near function yet the pink sheets were nowhere to be found. Now, Honorable Kwame governs Abuja. Or mini papa, Honorable Abuja, I salute you. Yes. One of a member of parliament, me penasem papa because he's blunt. Honorable Kwame governs Abuja, a member of parliament for Agyarko constituency, has some learning message for majority leader Kwabena Afenyo Markins. Now, member of parliament, their foot will be their Kwabena Afenyo Markins. What pray for them. Sir, not in his wildest dream would he ever call himself a minority leader. Da. Na mobe kaya ebra you may be called so 4 members of parliament. One more Arizonian, not just automatically. Kwabena Afenyo Markins group now must sit on the minority bench. And also oko transfer one be kugu and one ko. But and you man Kwabena Afenyo Markins lately in Ghana's parliament in the Bibre na say but this member of parliament, Honorable Kwame governs Agbodza, Edia Futu Kesebi Diaman. Serious one. And I believe, sir, and what lessons would Kwabena Afenyo Markins take out of this? Take a listen to Honorable Agbodza.
Please. Mr. Speaker, we don't need to debate this. But Mr. Speaker, my colleague on the other side, you've actually helped him when he was insisting that you shouldn't put a question because he wanted everything here to be adopted. Mr. Speaker, I will encourage you, and he's saying that whenever he's got his numbers, he will bring things that we don't like and put them to vote. Mr. Speaker, I want you to be fair to him and all of us. Put the issues, even the business statement, to listen. So if the House decide that we are rejecting it, let's reject it today, not on the day that he's got people on his side. So, Mr. Speaker, I entreat you, put the issue to a vote, so that let us reject it for him to know that we are opposed to the attempt to grant tax waivers worth 300 million, which have been opposed for 2 years. Mr. Speaker, put a question. Don't even give him the opportunity, because you were speaking to him in parable when you said to him that sometimes you protect him by asking him to look at his back. By looking at his back. Mr. Speaker, what happens the day that the people on my back are not enough and his are more? Then you will try to take the judges, would that be fair on that day? Mr. Speaker, would that be fair on that day? Mr. Speaker, put a question so that we reject the business statement today, so that we can go and do a proper business committee meeting and agree on what is put on the business statement coming from the majority of the people on the business statement. That would be a fairer way of doing it, instead of protecting him because he has, almost canty back there, just like the votes they got, so that we who are in a majority will be in a disadvantage. This is the true nature of who you are. This is why the Ghanaians gave you a vote to commensurate with the numbers you have. Yet you said you haven't learned any lessons. You haven't learned any lessons. You are still walking like this. Talking now, you cannot tell us we are a government. Look at the size of the government. Is this a government? Is this a government? This is less than the district assembly size of this thing.
Mr. Speaker, very soon it will get to his turn.
And the Honorable Kwame governs Agbodza and wo to Kwabena Afenyo Markins o tu nufono. The one say no si che no si mo real size referencing why justice atuguba say mo real size. Kwabena Afenyo Markins ye dede e wo Ghana ha say asutie kekre obeya asutie no makoye de so me mo say ye ka say the 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic ye ka say they are in recess. Government workers, over 700,000 government workers across all over Ghana have not been paid. Why? Because of Number one, Kwabena Afenyo Markins was looking forward to say the NDC minority group no enko boawom na womon pass a loan facility over millions of dollars. Woman SEO, yeah, they quack aircraft, helicopters, and all kinds of military hardware at this time in Tibida. Why won't you leave all this procurement for the new government to come and procure? Almost we want to buy military aircraft, helicopters, ship, and innumerable offensive machineries, offensive weapons. Why don't you leave it to the government? Then incoming government to procure. Almost Number two, I feel one more say insist say tax waivers now. One more person one more kasa NPP pennyfo, one more companies no. One more 2D, 1D, 1F. One more person one more tax waivers. So enti kwen bia so no eno so mo makwan me emphasize tax waivers nto so wo boni amudie. Now folks, it's been 3 years in the NPP government. All these companies way my de mo waive taxes every so and mo be kaya me be yes expose no e wa ha. Na ye kan this can you saying over several billions of United States dollars ya waive tax in a much short changing government of Ghana. Number 2, some companies so any companies say they call acquire one district one factory. No, all these companies belongs to NPP top echelons. Companies are number 3, they are not into one district one factory. They know many of the companies, according to investigations here, are into what? Hospitality industry, hotels. A business real estate companies. A business are into goods and services. Making utresini na ediko district and some municipal areas are mostly mukosi factories no akukura ni ho NPP idonyame siasi ya tu ye boase pa se na ye beko break naba me say ye beko break abawo. You see, the last time me can say Afenyo Markins should come and tell Ghanaians the truth. Why Kweku Annan NPP former member for Obuasi West or Obuasi South or me, they am refi. Come and tell us why Kweku Annan Obuasi West, why Kweku Annan was taken off from the finance committee as the chairman. Mumekachira Ghana for why? Why you did this to Kweku Annan? Yeah? Reason is saying Wontumi nka but madam. The reason why Kweku Annan was taken from the chairmanship of the finance committee was because of this one district one factory. Kweku Annan is a decent guy. Now share billions and billions of Ghana cedis and dollars as our taxes when move wavy off every companies in Israel. No, Kweku Annan who said no, you guys are not being fair to Ghanaians. Into Kweku Annan said no, yen try say ye be your due diligence. Na sa due diligence, you know. Etinya me ye who company A, company B, company C, for Ghanaians. Guess what? As far as Afenyo Markins, as far as Chairman Sabonsu and the rest are concerned, no, almost all more makwan. Etunim, now we are almost parliament, I reopening, and we to almost another thousands of companies ye be pass tax waivers. And they are more no ma for future akojiji says can in contractors in ho. Owners of these companies. And then a moody bonnie say, even at this last minute, NPP, you are not ready to even pardon Ghanaians with criminality, with them corruption, looting, daylight looting of the state coffers. You are not ready. When you're ready, say you even pardon Ghanaians. No? Ghanaians within NPP, Madamo, come go and ask Kweku Annan. So over here, where is he? Matu Kweku Annan recently. Go and ask Mumpeni for where is Honorable Kweku Annan? MP for him for Obuasi West. Munkobi says over him for. When was the last time Motenenka? Yeah, me was MPP ni papa. He was the former deputy minister for finance. Where is he? Because in parliament, he disagreed with all the top members of the NPP. Say, Bonina Mudieno, the corruption, the daylight looting of the state money is completely absurd. But they were also telling Kweku Annan, so no, this job is inevitable. And one year. Now, Honorable Eugene Boakye Agyarko, a member of parliament for Subin constituency in Ashanti region, in his epistles, listen, in his epistles, also chronicle yet another human element who contributed to the demise of the governing New Patriotic Party in the recent polls. Member of Parliament or Subin constituency in Ashanti region, and also I feel or the nipa bin so abeto abonte say say nipa wey 1 2 3 and so ka ho and MPP edin kugo. Why no wabobo omudin no? I'm sure we all know them, but this one is coming from a stalwart of the NPP. Take a listen to him.
So we allowed it. If you have not election today, it's because of Ofori Atta. NPP has got this election because of Ofori Atta. Gabby has otchere and Asante Bediatuo. I'm mentioning names.
What have they done?
What have they done? Ofori Atta was there. Who? In 2000, do you remember how President Akufo said when he was campaigning? Do you remember?
What did he say?
Was 600 What does that mean? Economy. 2016, what did President Akufo say at trade fair? What the Bawumia so we see mind. What was he talking about? Economy. How can we win a nation in this country without the economy? Why do you think our nations are punished the way they have?
But the people you mentioned, apart from Ken, they are not responsible for the economy.
Yes. Now, the president kept Ken there for 1 year and 2 months, 14 months.
After you have been assured.
After we have been assured. Yes. 2017, my brother is here. Anytime Ken came to deliver the budget, wasn't about Bawumia present? 2018 wasn't he there? 2019 wasn't he there? 2020, they cut off Bawumia. That's where all the excessive borrowing and the intolerable introduction of taxes on the people of this country started. That's where they cut Bawumia off. So we have to build a party, and NPP needs an open heart surgery to build this party. We cannot be sweeping this under the carpet. They are not jokers. And you can say, Randy, we are not leading, we are not senior members, we are leading the rest of the party. We have to let the base believe that we really have handed over power to the NDC. The received wisdom in Westminster says that opposition parties don't win elections, governments lose them. We have lost the power to NDC. We did all this, Randy. The man was kept there. Now, Gabby became the chief advisor to the finance minister. They were the ones drawing the budget.
This is just an allegation.
It's an allegation. I'm telling you. I'm talking about allegation.
No, it's an allegation. He's not provided
I'm telling
evidence.
you.
Yes.
He was the one drawing the budgets.
How?
Okay. If you don't want to challenge me, let's into another day. There's more I want to go on.
So move on.
Now, we did all this. Businessmen, campaign time, go to yes, businessmen. Businessmen.
Like collapse their business.
Even 2 weeks ago, I was going to lobby for some funds for one of our young pieces. But my usual family on them. Yes. Randy, look, this party, we see here open heart surgery. We should be sweeping it under the carpet. Oh, carpet now, why bitter? Bitter for what? I left this country at 21.
For some critical, very, very critical, and I tend to agree with Eugene NP. Yeah. Or say the governing New Patriotic Party needs what? Open heart surgery. And then we are learning to say yes. One must set a committee a be probu, reasons why they lost. Yeah, but what human elements be to say Eugene Ahenom woman trainer party no anchor position and son of Mokasana. Look, fantastic guys. And someone ebe piano Ghana for hey those enko Ghana how yeah okay Gabby asare darko and one in wine Ofori Atta Kennedy these were the family members who were controlling the nation's purse as far as we are concerned, and nobody talks, nobody touches them. The nation's purse, woman and this one. 8 years ago, Senior Minister Yaw Osafo told the world, or he told the outgoing government something. Today, history is giving a flashback of his words. 8 years ago, Senior Minister Osafo no odi nkomo bi. Sa nkomo na no odi no wo ka asem bi a kire a government a obefiri ho na omo aba aben mu. Na oka asem kire sa aban no emu empenimfo bi assemble na okatrom sa asem na okan ende there is what you call a flashback. Something, a history is in the making, and the same situation is playing at their face. Hey, Asante, listen to this.
We have a payroll for every department and every sector, institution in this country. So if I'm appointed a new minister and your payroll, you are not on the payroll till December, the day of the election, and you're going to appear on the payroll for January, when were you engaged in that particular thing? You are going to create a problem. If names appear on the payroll after December, we definitely will lay them off quietly. We have a payroll for every department and every sector, institution in this country. So if I'm appointed a new minister and your payroll, you are not on the payroll till December, the day of the election, and you're going to appear on the payroll for January, when were you engaged in that particular thing? You are going to create a problem. If names appear on the payroll after December, we definitely will lay them off quietly.
Afenyo walking and history a repeating who. As I speak to you, many government institutions, employment is here, make us say. Parliament House, Parliament nipa saying 250. Yes, so many need you gum. Now then one say, your interview na dia chia na mo appointment letter. Ya form. Last Friday, Mokaya, and also me buy a report editor, Bank of Ghana, the nation's apex bank, and also you nipa saying 150 nipa from the national security. But the sad part of it is that say nipa no we free national security do we call BOG Bank of Ghana no. Some have not resigned from the national security, no. So we say we run national security Bank of Ghana why then. They have contravened the Security and Intelligence Act, you know, because some resign and sana no national security in for Edwo Mekura Odin quietly. Emma Friday me be pitch me be obi picture editor mo sa ni pani ye do mo ko. As I speak, employment air cost for many government agencies busy. Woman busy air feni pa gidi. NPP penifoma money na ho. NDC sorry. Now Parliament the say no what they are doing is say we mo backdate ade no. Very dangerous. Guess what? Some chiefs in Ashanti region have reacted shortly after NPP lost in election 2020. What are their concerns? Now, Asante Memu ahimfubi akaomo ho kasa na no ya NPP lose election. E die be ntina ahimfo no kasa na die na ahimfo no eka. Be wasuniti di. Take a listen to the chiefs in Ashanti region.
NPP bafo koto nka ho enye NPP bafo koto ene yes fapem. Wono no kofa NLM baaye. Ena Mahamadu Baba Zongofo enya ka ho. Ena da Isla ene ezi antonom ene apalunum na be ka ho. Ene ye United Party Dr. Dankwa no ni party. The party Kwame Nkrumah different in some ehumobro ene omo friend frefre kobo ene obeto na fe ye ka se NPP a ye se Dombo Bozia Dankwa na bafo ko to ni jin wai na tuma se amoda mo ante a ka koma akombai bafo ko to one party no a NLM ene ba United Party ene ba Progress Party ene ba PFP ne kwadru say and now say pass and for asem tinu vetosu a we santia wo gina as president Akufo Addo ne wo fa William Ofori Atta ase de ya tie ho yempre masante ni yeso nti mo ko join UNC no no kra no Akufo Addo no NPP no waka ho wudi mu wasan ko na fo be pa die mu na yese mako e no de be hye santeman ani yade no pese yanyade e se yanya dwonko bia no ye dwane akosen ho yade yade ni nya hospital ni na no wasei ni na ntime Mahama pa ne bebo ama no na ye de nyame ase so e de mano na Mahama ma menim de nkakuma se man anara santeman tete ye fabrem ye wo NPP parliamentarians be say aduanan son obia ne ho a woka bi e ma santeman se bia hospital yensi fafari yenye sawuya yenye kumawu yenye bakwa yenye tepa yenye nese sante hene nwa humobro wura anya badaye ankase dabi me man ensei me ma yade edokuru me man wa bra yade enya babi nkura onuara se bi eburu oyi ni sika dollar ahanum million 5 million ena osese ne nananom wo mo e wa ma no ne anyway wo ha ina se yemmoa na je se yintimi hospital no agenda wa ne ho ne fa so ne sei na stress kan ti yibi diswe e displace component ya kenye ye tibe de edanyame ase e ma Mahama se nyame ati ni sufre ne nyina so ya ta na chire na asante man yenso ya to atia no ama wonu ano Akufo Addo no se so paya se so paya se mo a wonu amfa nko nkomo so amfa nko
nana mwadaroma so dumiso de kakra beka ho na mema omampanyi na waba ni chinkwa na media nkakai na mbeka akai no ebra oba yura otumfo se tutu abebio ho boxa obeseye die ba ya yura kra se momfa krata no megina hanfa nhyere nsem no wokwa awakai ono abaye nnwumedi a odi nyina na obeda na di kire asanteman fomina afari se de nanano medical ken na mesre no se onkai krofuru market ade a eyo how kese ma asanteman se bi okumase na wabe nso no onfa abutre na nokure na wo so obeka kire Ghana man ni asanteman no ene Ghana man no omanenye na semhia se yetuntuma omeyenhunu se yekokwa omeyenhunu afenso so ono ase obi biara wafa Ghana sika edi dwumedie bi a ensem fata kwati kwan so epre no wagye dia magana yesre no ma honso hia no afenso wose nyoma tuo bi wo ha ni nyina obeyi afiri ho onfa wose enye woyo na onhunu se yewura asante hene ene asante man ene kumase man nyina ata nachi waye bi pen am yehunu nti enim se obetimi aye eda kumase man asante man Ghana man a omu transe hunu ye se eduru se ye nsisaye na Mahama edwumadie papa odi ni mrebi atwam no omuhunu se oba obetimi asato aso se nyame beka no ho sikadwa beta na chi ama ne dwumadie bia wodi bia no ayeyi amagana afa ne ntuma papa efra ye de enye se bia ye beka asamatia obi a na ye beka da bi ye mom ye pre ama kumase asante yesu ye chefe wo mu na no oba menhia wo saka bibibi wo se enye nkranko a na wo se ye di mpuntuo ko tambia wo sa wo dwe kura to aso asai bibisi nkran ya obetimi ede hozo atena abuman wo sanso shebo se abandada no dwumedi a wodi bia no oba nya de obeto agu obeto aso wo sanso shebo se free education no obehemu kena enu ane yepe fomina ne sawia die a wo sha ase a ni afaridie a wakwa aba betu die emirika so a nananu na daroma yesre no o mewie mayen na load na da konfanoche no esonte yakwa no bebre wo ho nso a abadada nyɛ sɛ wanyɛ bi wayɛ bi ɔmɛto asomayɛ na afei so ɔman security ɛno nso hia yɛn sɛ deɛ yɛ a yɛda a yɛbɛtumi ada yɛsrɛ no yɛnim sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ nti na Ghanafoɔ ato aba ama no neɛ ɔkwan a wɔfa so biara a wobɛtumi abu ma yi na wɔ so wɔfa so yɛnim sɛ waba yi ahokyerɛ na bɛba animanimu yɛ a ɛnso wayɛ bi pɛnti ne yɛde na bɛgyina hɔ wayɛ bi pɛnti ne yɛde akonnwa no so ama no wɔnkae naano na ɔmmɔ mmɔden na ɔnyɛ bi nka ho na ne din pa no a ɔgyaa no akyire no ɛntoa so yɛnim sɛ nyɛ sika na ɔbɛpɛ na mmom yɛnim sɛ ɔba bɛgye Ghana asi hɔ no wayɛ ama yɛhunu sɛ ampa naano nsɛm a yɛde too no soɔ no na nte saa ɛhyira no kusakusakusakusakusa sɛ na dwene pɛɛ wɔ ne tirim na nanom de mpaebɔ na Awurade Nyankopɔn so ataa n'akyi na watumi di ne dwuma pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛno nti na nnɛ concern na nanom a yɛwɔ Kumasi Traditional Council yɛhyia ne titiri no sɛ yɛma nakɔ aba waba a ɔntena se na ɔmmɛyɛ Ghana ma yɛ nyinaa yɛhunu sɛ ampa na ano deɛ ɛka to Mahama so no na nyɛ saa ne teɛ
Ɔmampanin John Dramani Mahama yɛma ɔtiri nkwa yɛhyira wo kusa yɛma ɔtiri nkwa adepa a ɛwɔ mu no ɛnɛ ade adi ama Ghana nyinaa ipokura santeman yehu na yɛn nyinaa yɛsɔ soro yɛbɔ aba so na ne yɛka ne sɛ ɛmmoa biara ɛsɛ yɛde bɔ awoɔ sɛ honam mu sɛ sunsun mu yɛde bɛboa wo yɛsrɛ nananom ɛka yɛn ho ɛwɔ yɛn anamontuo biara ho sɛnea yɛhwehwɛ yɛn nsa bɛka asomdwoeɛ ɛbɛba Ghana asomdwoeɛ bɛba Asanteman nkɔsoɔ mpuntuo ɛbɛba Asanteman ne Ghana man nyinaa ɛnim sɛ wo deɛ wonyi yi mu mmerɛ koraa na na wote soɔ no na Asanteman ɛnhyɛ da ntaa w'akyi saa nanso so neɛ ɛsɛ woyɛ ɛma yɛwura ne kuro no woyɛe nananom ka sɛ wombobɔbobɔ bi so na sese nea atoɔ ne mpaebɔ denden a ɛbɛbɔ de ataa w'akyi ama na mmɔn foforɔ a woba bɛtuo no akɔyie ama man no dada na woyɛeɛ no yɛntumi ana wase but ɛnnɛ ɛkwan a yɛfa so de vote ma NDC vote ma woɔ ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛakae nipa a woyɛ ma Asanteman sɛ nyɛ mempene bi na ɛwɔ wɔ akyiri a ɛnka ɛyɛ nkonnwa nko a edu ɛna NDC foɔ agye afiri Asante nkonnwa no yɛ aduanan nson ɛsɛ yɛkura mu du mempene no nyinaa afiri hɔ a edu ɛne yɛkuta yɛnim sɛ ɛnam sɛ yɛde mmara Ghana mamra ɛne bu ɔman no nti no biribiara nsesa the whole country 188 seats ɛna NDC for awene 188 kyɛ sɛ adwene de nte aseɛ so ɛde o nyame ama ne nsa so akyerɛ sɛ owurɛ yɛ a wɔbɛyi ɛdɔm a mede ɛta n'akyi ani sɛbe ɔnyɛ kɔntɛkorɔ wɔn odi anim nanso so n'apamfo a ɛyɛ parliamentarians ɔmo ho hia papapapapapa akwan biara nananom yɛbɛfa so ne yɛabɔ apini no na sɛbe akwankyerɛ biribi a ɛbɛwe sɛ agu na som futuo a yɛde bɛma no ne nyinaa yɛbɛboa no na bra no yɛsrɛ na watie ama yɛn Ghana ebetumpong Ghana dachi eye kese omampeni ede nyame asema wo
ebisafo. This is me who be that. To be very honest, I stand to be corrected though, but menkai de bi se wo memu se president bi abak abetra konwa so a ahemfo akase o e wo santimem esim konwa a wotie wo mano kasa 7 previousa chese because ahemfo ikra na air politics here dey the president elect. No, I think that the National Democratic Congress must be proud of Ashanti region. Why would I say this? Because so what can NDC from Kunya one benya was santimemu no that are say na emienu ebri ka say enkonya NDC for sweep was santimemu no ebru nsia nson ekeka ko de eko na nua no ma se ahia so mpese omugi bi free NDC for nse na no so ho nsem wo folks dia me mesre e dia ka dia ahimfu ya kan se the wofafo ya kan se the National Democratic Congress led by the president-elect His Excellency John Dramani Mahama monhwema santimemu se ne papemu a asantimemu kra no ebetimi ababeye mo strong base more than even Volta region, and you can do it. Oh yes, because santimemu agem NDC for atum prekope na enya sa wontumi no oni asantimemu wo wontumi at home akeka conglomerations nimisa ensem bi basabasa sa no na so wontumi deliver seat ama asantifo NPP.
You waiting for waiting and some abeto yepono so Kweku Annan na wabobro nsem bebre so niam bi NPP for no ye osusu se eno na ama wana report eno na wabobo mpanifo bidin a osusu wan se wana ne ya wana ye eno ka ho bi ena ama wana di sa nkugui a wana report eno no de ensem dodo na ara atoja meka say so wonya subscribe to channel area bomodi an say we subscribe say hade latest and hot news enkwa ena me de bro. We are not free. Well, like video to give us a thumbs up. Na free share ma wo for so na we be here na wo hu somewhere koso Ghana be mu ha. Oso betimi a kire wadwen afaye in some way nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu. Mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.